We all know the importance of a balanced diet. Fruits and vegetables are crucial. But have you ever tried focusing on just one fruit for a week? I decided to embark on a challenge eating papaya every day for a week. Papaya is a tropical fruit with a vibrant color and a sweet taste. It is known for its potential health benefits. I was excited to see how my body would respond. My main motivation was to improve my digestion. I often experience bloating and discomfort. Papaya is famous for its digestive properties. I was also curious about its other benefits, like better skin and increased energy. The challenge was simple: incorporate a serving of papaya into my daily diet. I could eat it on its own, add it to smoothies, or get creative with recipes. Starting the challenge felt like embarking on a tropical adventure. I looked forward to discovering the potential of this amazing fruit. I was eager to experience its benefits firsthand. Join me as I share my journey of eating papaya every day for a week. Day 1. My papaya adventure began with a simple breakfast. I diced ripe papaya and added it to my yogurt. The papaya's sweetness paired wonderfully with the creamy yogurt. It was a refreshing start to the day. In terms of digestion, I didn't notice a significant difference. However, I felt lighter and more energized after breakfast than usual. Day 2. For a change, I blended papaya into a smoothie. The result was a creamy, tropical delight that was both filling and refreshing. My digestion felt smoother throughout the day. The bloating I usually experience after meals was significantly reduced. This was a promising sign that the papaya was working its magic. Day 3. I noticed my skin looked brighter and more radiant. It could be the papaya's vitamins and antioxidants at work. My energy levels remained consistently high throughout the day. I felt lighter and more active. The digestive benefits continued, with no signs of bloating or discomfort. Day 4. I decided to try a savory papaya salad for lunch. The sweetness of the papaya paired surprisingly well with the tangy dressing and crunchy vegetables. It was a delicious and satisfying meal. My digestion felt fantastic. The noticeable improvements I experienced during my papaya week sparked a desire to understand the science behind this tropical fruit's benefits. It turns out that papaya is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that contribute to overall well-being. One of papaya's most notable components is papain, an enzyme known for its remarkable digestive properties. Papain aids in breaking down proteins, making it easier for our bodies to digest food and absorb nutrients. This explains the significant improvement in my digestion and the reduction in bloating. Besides papain, papaya is an excellent source of vitamins A and C, potent antioxidants that protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. These vitamins contribute to a healthy immune system and radiant skin. Additionally, papaya contains dietary fiber, which promotes regular bowel movements and supports a healthy digestive tract. Section 4. Papaya on your plate, easy and delicious ways to enjoy. Incorporating papaya into your diet is easier than you might think. Its versatility allows for a range of culinary creations, from refreshing smoothies to savory salads. Here are a few simple and delicious ways to enjoy this tropical fruit. Papaya smoothie. Blend ripe papaya chunks with your favorite fruits, such as bananas, berries, or mangoes, for a nutritious and refreshing breakfast or snack. Papaya salad. Combine diced papaya with shredded carrots, cucumbers, and a tangy lime dressing for a light and flavorful salad. Grilled papaya. Grilling papaya enhances its sweetness and adds a smoky flavor. Simply grill slices of papaya for a few minutes per side and serve as a side dish or dessert. Papaya salsa. Dice papaya and combine it with chopped red onions, cilantro, jalapeno peppers, and lime juice for a refreshing salsa that pairs perfectly with grilled fish or chicken.